Scythe 460 Taper versus Rhino Horn 380 Spike. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Bird versus Chopan. And overall these two Beyblades only battled once, and they actually battled in the manga and pretty soon the anime too, as of the time of this recording. So let's start the battle. By the way, if you want to support this channel, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All things help a lot. And you want to support me in a financial way, then you can always go to the link in the description. There's a link to a site called Model Toys, and whenever you buy through that link, you'll actually support me in the process. I also have discount codes to help you save money. They are the Legendary R, and it works for Bays and Bricks and Model Toys. On Model Toys it saves you 5% off, and on Bays and Bricks it saves you 7% off. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And now, let's get into the battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, first round is a burst finish. How Scythe wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I actually forgot, I only have one launcher. Okay, Rhino Horn wins round 2 with an over finish. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I don't have a launcher. I only have one launcher. I don't have two at the moment. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Well, that's 3 points to Rhino Horn for the extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Well, 3 points again if I count it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Scythe wins that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Rhino Horn is just taking these hits. Like, all those hits were just really hard. So, I'm surprised that Rhino Horn was able to hold up. Rhino Horn is barely holding on. It's wobbling a lot. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Another win to Rhino Horn. Yeah, Rhino Horn wins with an extreme finish. Go shoot! Whoa! Whoa! Really explosive hit. Rhino Horn is barely holding on. It's tilting and trying not to tip over. Let's see what happens. And it looks like Scythe won barely with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Huge hits! And Scythe wins with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Okay, that was horrible. And Scythe wins that round with a burst finish. I really don't want to count that, but they will count in the tournament. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That hit was so hard. Scythe wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And Scythe goes out. Rhino Horn was that round with an extreme finish. Go shoot. Okay. Rhino Horn's just taking these hits. Oh wow. Rhino Horn wins with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And Scythe wins with an over finish. I mean extreme finish. Go shoot. Scythe wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Rhino Horn wins that round with an extreme finish. Go shoot. Whoa! Huge hit. Scythe is doing his best. Let's see what happens. Oh wow! Scythe wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Okay, Rhino Horn wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! That was a lot of recoil. Rhino Horn wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh wow. That was a huge hit. Rhino Horn was that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Okay. Burst finish. Scythe was that round with the burst finish. Go shoot. Rhino Horn is holding on. And it's out. Scythe wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, Scythe isn't giving up. Rhino Horn is defending the best it can. Let's see who wins. And this is probably the final battle anyway. That was anticlimactic, and Scythe wins that round with the spin finish. Your winner is Scythe 460 Taper. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.